One of the best decisions that I took is using multiple planners. Hey lovelies, today's video is the most requested video, just to talk about multiple planners. Let's get started. What is multiple planners? If you use more than one planner, then it means it is multiple planners and you're using multiple planners in your life. Do you need multiple planners in 2023? If you have a lot on your plate, and if you're juggling between lot of different things in your life that are totally different from each other, you like to see in different categories and you don't like to see everything in one single place. Also, if you like to separate your work or your studies from your life, then you may need multiple planners. So think a lot before you decide to use multiple planners. You have decided that you're going to use multiple planners. How to use multiple planners? First thing is to label each planner, like for which area of your life that you need to use that planner. Some of the topics to use multiple planners, or you can use one planner for studies, for your personal life, next your work. You can have a planner in order to maintain your home as well, like home related tasks. You can use a planner as a journal to jot down your feelings and emotions, and also you can use it as a dear diary moment. So basically, whichever area you would like to focus more on, you can set aside a separate planner for that. So in order to use multiple planners, just set a time to check that planner so that you can consistently use that planner, either in the morning or before you going to bed. Just check all the planners and update it. Another important tip is to keep your multiple planners in your sight, like where you can see, so that you can use it more often. Next tip is, which I already shared, which is to have a clear purpose why to each planner, so that you don't get confused of how to use that particular planner. Next tip is to don't overlap planners. Like, don't use two planners for the same reason. It only takes up a lot of your time and energy and of no good use to your life. Next step is to get reminded to use your multiple planners. You can set a reminder on your phone, or you can tell someone to remind you about using multiple planners. Next step is to add it to your habit tracker, so that whenever you see your habit tracker, you have the habit of multiple planners, you will get a reminder to use it. Next step is to have a multiple planners routine, sort of. So you can have a routine, like set aside a certain time of your day in which you're going to use all of your planners. Next step is to update your planners periodically. You can update your planners once a week or 3 days once, based on how busy your life is, so that you can keep using your planner and just not forget using it while you're caught up with the busyness of your life. These are my few tips in order to use multiple planners. I have followed almost all of these tips in order to use my multiple planners effectively. Next, coming to my experience of using multiple planners. So I started using multiple planners in the year 2021, when I find it really difficult to juggle between my studies, my personal life, my part-time jobs, and also this YouTube channel. So I got a planner for each of my areas, and I would say it's one of the best decisions that I took in 2021. I was so productive in all the areas of my life because I'm planning and taking action. So I really liked the idea of using multiple planners in 2021, as it really worked for me, and I went with the same decision of using multiple planners in this year 2022 as well. So that's it for the video. If you're interested in which topics I used my multiple planners, then you need to watch this video where I shared how I use multiple planners, for which category I use each planner for. I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.